the registration, okay? And when you're in Japan, you have the original, and most people keep it laminated, and it has to be kept with the sword.
Yes.
So if you're stopped, say you're carrying a sword on the street, in a bag like
Yeah,
that,
like this.
and the police say, "Do you have your Tokoshu? You better produce it, otherwise they confiscate the sword until you come down and have it."
Okay.
So when you go to get export papers, you turn this in. They give you the export papers, and then you can take the sword out.
Okay.
So what I would do is I'd go over, I'd look at some swords and say, I'd like to buy these 3. I'd go ahead and buy them, and then 6 months later when I came over, they would have everything. I'd let them know, or when I was coming over the next time, they'd say, I'll be there in so many, such a time. They would arrange to have all the papers ready. I could pick the swords up, take them to the airport, show them customs, and leave them. Going back in, that's why I try and always have a copy of this paperwork here, because then when I go back in, I can show them this, and it's easier. Oh, it's already been registered once.
Yeah, okay.
They go get it, and
Because it shows proof of past, yeah.
Right, and then it's real easy to get the holding permission again, and you're all set.
Oh, awesome.
Now they do have swords that are considered national treasures.
Yeah, you can't have those,
You
yeah.
can't take them out.
You can't have those, because I've been doing a lot of research and looking around, and it's like I haven't found anybody that's actually explained that, so it's very difficult to try to figure it out.
And of course, so most people that do it, like if you buy a sword from one of the Japanese dealers over there, or you